Shit, you gotta hurry! I'm working on it! Yes! Oh. Foxy! Don't make this any harder than it has to be. Just give up now and you can live. You know what they'll do to us. Yeah, but I know what'll happen if you run too. And that seems worse. One click. And what? You destroy this base. We don't even keep our guns here. Doesn't do anything, we'll get out in time. In the cost of your lives. So you're finally awake. What do you mean? Where the fuck? Shit. What did you do? I saved you. I mean, as much as I could. Wait, how long has it been since I've been out? It's been 5 years. What? Yeah, you've been in a coma for 5 years. I'm gonna get revenge for what they did to me. But we need to get a group first. And I don't know where to start. And, I have to be close now. Oh, shit! Day 1840. Things haven't been easy. People still can't believe. They don't believe in much anymore. They don't believe that Homer is alive. But I know he is out there somewhere. Are you writing and talking? I don't see why. It's what's keeping me sane. Are you sure you still are? What is that supposed to mean? Exactly what You know what? You have fun. You have fun over here. Here's your daily ration. What? It's shorter. It's shorter than before. That's because we're running out of food. Okay? I'm the hunter and even I am running out of food. Look, it's been 5 years since I've been prisoner for you guys. I'm sorry. Just let me prove it. I snuck some things, okay? I buried them out there. You know, they're still buried out there somewhere. I can bring you to them. what would the point in that be? The apples and bananas will be long rotten. But the medicine could be intact. And I remember after Orville's injury last week, you guys had to use some, right? Just let me do this. And I don't even want a gun. I just want to be able to walk around besides having to stay in this little spot for 5 years. What's the point of even keeping me alive? To show you what you've done will have consequences forever. Okay. So far, so good, right? Nothing bad has happened in a long time. I mean, besides a few injuries here and there, you know, we've been together through a lot. And we're like family at this point, all of us. But we need to go beyond the safe zone. What? Freddy, come on. I know. It sounds impossible, right? But to me, impossible is starving to death. That's not an option. Golden Freddy hasn't come back yet. So, I don't know if he's just really playing the part, or if he's long dead. Either way, Twisted Ones, we haven't heard much gunshots for a long time. But didn't you hear? Hear what? From where and who? And when? How? We've been in this old... I mean, what, did we hear from one of the animals we've eaten? Like, what? What are you talking about? The thing they said that they told everyone... Okay, so here's what happened. I was examining the outskirts, trying to see if anyone was there on my patrol duty, when suddenly I stopped. I heard whispers in my ear. I don't know who they were, but the voice came from the shadows. They're opening the gates to let people in soon. They're gonna open the gates to let people in. And I hear a lot of people want to get in. Wait, what? Why don't we just go over there? We can get out. Don't you get it, Freddy? I don't know why, for what reason or whatever, but people are piling at that gate. When it opens, we're not gonna be able to get out. If we're at that gate when it opens, we're gonna be trampled to death. Right? What is this? Like, I don't even know how much land there's here. There's some we haven't explored yet. But all I know is that we're gonna die if we go even near there. We have to hold our ground. God damn it. They're letting more people in? Do they have guns? I don't know anything else. I'm assuming so, because we still have a little bit of ammo left. Just after we started using those traps and the melee weapons mainly. I still don't get, if the Twisted Ones know this, why don't they attack? They clearly have the high ground. I mean, we don't know, right? I mean, what if there's like an underground, like, organization? Like, that holds people, you know? There could be a big group. And they're like, there's probably some places they haven't even been, right? They've been dealing with us for a lot of the time.
Well, yeah, they should like society making that happen or ridiculous. They could have even been every quite a while. Because
hey, what the? Hey, what are you doing? I'm taking this gun and I'm gonna go out there. Whoa, what for? I'm gonna go searching for Homer again and maybe some food. Not with this gun, you're not. Yeah, yes it is. No, it's... Stop! Give it... Look, okay? This is not how we do things. Look, Freddy, I get it. You want to find your friend, but Here's the thing, is that we, especially after what Freddy or what Chica just said, we're gonna need all the ammo we can get. We can't waste it on something that might happen, right? If Homer's out there, then he's fine, and if he's dead, then he's been dead. There's nothing we can do now. Shit. What's up, man? Foxy, I have a question to ask. Yeah? With this change that's gonna be changing everything, I need your help, okay? Tensions are high in the group, and I know people are gonna show up, and some are gonna ask to join, some are gonna attack, and some might even betray us, like Phantom Foxy did. I need a sheriff. Not the detective like Bonnie. I need a sheriff. A co-leader. And I think that needs to be you. Whoa, really? You're my best friend, and I don't know who else I can really ask. I mean, L-Chip, but you're the best suited. I just don't know what else we can do. This is gonna be a war zone. We haven't seen it this bad since 5 years ago. Okay, yeah. I agree, man. Everybody listen up. We can't have anything else bad happen. So what we're gonna be doing is Foxy is gonna be the sheriff. So not only you listen to me, but Foxy is second in command. And that's where we leave this meeting at. It was a pretty quick one, but it needed to be said and known. So, yeah. Well, this looks like the place. It is. Hello? Whoa! Whoa. I don't want to shoot. I want help. Homer, is that you? No, I know a Homer, but that's not me. My name is Krusty, the clown. I've been trying to find you people for a long time. I was over east of here. That's not east. Well, it's east of where we're looking right now, so I'm counting it as east. I think he wants to join. It might be a good idea, Freddy. I mean, we're gonna need as much guns as... I mean, we have not that many anymore, but we need as many people as we possibly can. I want to join the group, okay? I've been on my own for too long. Ever since my group died. Okay, if you can prove yourself, you can join. You have to prove yourself for the next... Chica, how long until the gates open? He said in a few days, about 3 days ago. So probably... Oh my... Wait, that might be tonight. If you can prove yourself within the next 3 days, you can join our group. Okay, I'll try my best. Okay. I like him. Yeah. It is tonight, everyone. Oh my god. Who is that? What? How are you alive? Chica and L-Chip said you died, and we saw you get shot. We saw your body after, like, what? Actually, the first bullet hit me in the stomach, and the second grazed my ear. It just looked like I died. And then I collapsed, passed out from the shock. And when I woke up, I was barely clinging to life. You guys were long gone. And I had to rip the bullet out and cauterize my own wound. But here I am, and ever since then, for the last 5 years, I've been trying to sneak into the shadows and get as much information as possible. And I don't know how they know this, but the Twisted Ones got information that the gates are opening tonight, which was a few days ago. Wait, if you were here a few days ago, why didn't you just stay then? I had to fulfill a promise to a friend. Something I can't speak about right now. Not even to your own group. What I did goes beyond our group. When the time is right, you'll find out. But not yet. When that gate opens, I'm gonna jump right out. And then I'm gonna come in from behind and kill so many of them. Get their guns, and we're gonna lead me and my frog brethren. Okay. It's so cold. Who threw that? Thanks for getting my sword back. How are you alive? I saw your dead body outside the camp I was at. Well, us frog people, there's a bunch of us. I'm not alive. Whoever you saw isn't alive. But you won't be soon either. Yeah, okay. All I'm gonna say is stay here and find out. I don't... Nice try. Homie! Homie, it's getting late. We need to go back. You go back, I'll be back soon. No, we need you there. I'm telling you, Marge, something bad is coming. And the only way to stop it is to get back to the crew I once lost. And I'd have utter dedication and... Ooh! We can make frog donuts. What? Trust me, it's a delicacy that I made up right now. Oh, okay. I locked them up. Good. I would have killed them, but whatever. You're right, we can use them as food in the future if we need it. Okay, everyone. Start the cloning process. Okay. Who here knows how to use the computer again? Really? I do. Okay, start the cloning process. Look, I'll watch you do it. Oh, I can do it on my own. No. I'll watch you do it. Okay. Let's go. Does something seem strange to you guys about that golden fella? Besides the fact he looks weird? Not really. He just seems like kind of like a nerd. True, and he wants to spare people. He doesn't want to fit in with us. I think he's staying with us because we're strong and he knows it. Yeah, probably, but try telling Wolf that. He won't take kindly. I hope I don't have to use this. After tonight, you probably will. Yeah, I think so. Let's get away from here. Why? It's the best, it's the tallest spot. And it's near the gate. That. It's deactivated for now. We don't know how long that'll last. Let's just go. If somebody has a gun and they shoot it and it explodes, we're dead. I don't want to risk that. Fine. Wait up. What? Why is it all red? It's starting. Oh no! Oh no! We need to get out of here! Why? Where are we? We're on the ground. Ah, so you were right. Getting up here is the strategy. Good.